As you can see here, email marketing provides the highest ROI. So everybody should learn email marketing. Hmm. Well, today you don't need to Google it because today we are going to give course review on email marketing. And this course is provided by HubSpot. Okay, officially by HubSpot themselves. Okay, and today we are going to get to know what this course is all about, what structure this course has, what certificate do you get, and what knowledge you gain as well. And then we will going to just give the all-in-one hub score for this particular course. Okay, so let's dive in. Let's look at the course. I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from allinow.com, and today we are going to give course review on email marketing certification course by HubSpot Academy. So firstly, let's look at what this course is all about. So this course is about 4 hours, as you can see here. This course is time duration is 4 hours and it has 9 quiz lessons 11. We'll look at that. So this course is for someone who doesn't have any particular knowledge about email marketing. Okay, this course is for beginners. You don't need to know anything before doing this course. Okay, you don't need to know anything about email marketing or any other marketing. Okay, and as you can we have seen before, 4 hours. Okay, and after doing this course you will gain sufficient knowledge to start your own email marketing campaign as well. Okay, they have taught everything. So firstly they start from basic, what is email marketing. Okay, then how you can create content for contact management. For example, if you have people or audience from different fields, computer field, you have from non-technical field, then how you can segment or separate those contacts, they have taught that. Then they are taught how to send the right emails. For example, you don't want to send informal email to a formal person, right? Similarly, vice versa. Similarly, they have given other knowledge as well, analytics and many other things as well. The whole now here, as you can see here, since it's been officially being provided by HubSpot, the course is completely professional. As you can see here, the video has been professionally shot up. You can have uh, the captions as well. So yes, full HD and captions are in English only. No matter, we will learn in English only. Okay, so now we will look at the structure of this course. How this course is structured. Okay, so firstly, this course has around 9 modules. Okay, around 9 modules, and after completing 9 modules, you need to give an exam. Okay, so in each module, you have separate videos. Each module has around three videos, and each video is about 7 6 minutes on an average. Okay, and after completing all after sorry after learning through the videos, you need to answer the quiz questions. Okay, simple quiz question. There will be 2 questions for each module. For 9 modules, there will each module will have around some quiz questions. So for example, first module has 2 questions, second has 4 5. Each module have different quiz questions. Okay, and this course is all video based. There is no theory. Okay, there is no theory, there is no any external links or survey which you need to do. There is a thing like that. The whole course is video based, and after watching this video you need to do this quiz, and then give the exam. Okay, after passing this exam you get certificate as well. Okay, and exam duration is 1 hour and 45. So around once you complete this course, it will be easy to pass the exam as well. Okay, and they give 3 hours to complete the exam. So that's a lot of time. What's the best thing? What's the best thing about the course? Well, the best thing is that they also provide the resources here. So, for example, if you are someone who haven't understood what they have taught through videos, so you can just download the slides as well from here. Or if you are someone who wants to give presentation uh, in college or class, okay, then you can download the slides from here and you can give it, as long as it's not been illegally used. Okay, in between class it's okay. So that's all. And for me, the best thing about the course is the video, how video they have uh, got up, the voice is clear, and all the complex concepts are being explained in a simpler manner. That's the best thing about this course. And after completing this course, the reward you get is this certificate. Okay, email marketing certified. Okay, you get this kind of certificate from HubSpot Academy, which you can add into your resume as well. Okay, so if you are someone who wants to learn email marketing, then this is the place which you need to start. Okay, then you can move to advanced email marketing, Streak, MailChimp, and other online cloud based software as well. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for watching, and do visit allinonehub.com. We regularly give reviews. Okay, and do visit our YouTube channel as well. We have been providing lots of content for you. We have been giving reviews on apps. We have been giving reviews on courses as well. So do check it out. Okay, and do subscribe to our channel. Okay, and press the bell icon as well so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching. Let's keep going. Next one is coming up. I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from allinall.com. Goodbye.